Hi, welcome to Walton Vale Community Shop. I'm Helen and today I will be bringing you a fun family recipe. Today's recipe is cheesecake. The ingredients are 125 grams of digestive biscuits, 50 grams of butter, 300 grams of full fat soft cheese, 50 grams of icing sugar, 140 millilitres of double cream and half a teaspoon of vanilla essence. Start by placing the digestive biscuits in a bag and bashing them. You want to get them to a breadcrumb texture. Once the biscuits have been bashed, melt butter. This can be done on the hob or in a microwave. Once the butter's melted, add the biscuits. This will make approximately 4 mini cheesecakes. Once the biscuits and butter have been combined, put a layer on the bottom of a bowl. And refrigerate for about 20 minutes. Pour your cream into a bowl and whisk. You don't want to whisk it too much, you want soft peaks. In a second bowl, add the soft cheese, the icing sugar and the vanilla essence. Again, whisk this together. Once you have mixed the cream cheese, take your whipped cream, add the whipped cream and fold. To fold, you gently lift and move the spoon around. Lift and move the spoon around. It's not stirring, it's to keep the air in the ingredients, but folding is more of a lift and turn, lift and turn. Once you have your cheesecake topping, one of my little tricks is to put it in a plastic bag. Squeeze it to the bottom and cut off the end. Just a little bit of the end, not too far up. Then take your refrigerated base, and if you start on the edge, make your way around, and it just gives a smoother finish. Today I'm topping with strawberries, but you could use any fruit you like grapes or raspberries. You could even use a tin of clementines or your favourite chocolate bar. Enjoy.